Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix mic and party chat not working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you just need to press on the gear icon, go to audio, and then make sure that voice chat is on, as well as proximity chat if you want to hear other people, right? And game chat voice channel also you can set up to all lobby if you want to hear your enemies as well. Make sure that voice chat volume also is not muted, and master volume as well, because if master volume is muted, you should not hear anything here, right? And then make sure that voice chat output device also is default, or exactly the one that you're using. Also, microphone, it's up to you. It can be open mic, so you don't need to press any buttons to talk, or it can be push to talk. And then microphone input device also, it should be default, or the one that you're using here, exact model. And then of course microphone level should be also not muted here. And also you can test your microphone if you want to hear if it's working for you or not. And then we can go to press on the settings again here, go to channel, go to party here, and if there is some people in your party, you can click them one by one, and then you can mute them and unmute them, and you need to look if then problem persists or not. And then if you are on PC, then you can go to settings, and then you just need to go to system, sound, make sure the output device is the right one, input device also is the right one as well. And then if we go to volume mixer, make sure that Call of Duty also is here not muted, right? And also it has default input and output devices as well. And yeah, that's basically pretty much it. And let's go again on all sound devices. And not all sound devices, you need to go to more sound settings, and then on the playback make sure that your auto device is set to default, and also it has normal levels and it's not muted. And also make sure that allow applications and give exclusive mode application priority is enabled as well, because sometimes Windows do not give permission to the game to use the microphone, or you accidentally put do not allow. So make sure these options is enabled as well as your microphone. Go to recording, then select the microphone, set to default, and also make sure that a microphone is not muted, and exclusive mode also is enabled here. And then you just need to restart your computer or the game, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.